video, I'm going to discuss about loops in C. Loops can execute a block of code as long as a specified condition is reached. Loops are handy because they save time, reduce errors, and they make code more readable. There are three types of loops in C language: while loop, for loop, and do while loop. The first one is while loop. So, in the case of while loop, we have to initialize first, then condition checks, then execute the body, and the updating can be inside the body. So here we can see the syntax of while loop. The condition is given with the while loop, and the code to be executed is inside the while loop. Okay. Then first we have to declare a variable and assign a value. Then the statement while. The condition is given with the while and a code to be executed inside the while. Here we can see the example program. So I want to compile this program. First step is we need to declare a variable. So variable name is I, int I, and assign a value of 0 to the variable. Then there is a while statement. With the while statement, we give the condition. Okay. Inside the while loop, the code to be executed is inside the while loop. So I need to print the values of I up to 5. So here the printf function for printing the values of I. So the values integer type, the data type is integer. So here %d. Then okay, the updation is also given inside the loop. So we can see the output. The output will be printed like 0 to 4. Okay. So first we declare a variable and initialize a value, then condition checks, then execute the body inside the loop. The next loop in C is do while loop. The do while loop is a variant of while loop. This loop will execute the code block once. Before checking if the condition is true, then it will repeat the loop as long as the condition is true. Here we have the syntax. The code to be executed is inside the do statement, and the while statement with the condition is terminated with the semicolon at last of the program. Okay, here we have this example program. Here is do statement. The while with the condition is given and the last of the loop and it terminated with semicolon. Okay. The same output of while program, previous while program. So the output will be printed 0 to 4. Okay. First the code is given inside the do loop, and then condition checks, then increment in updation is also given inside the loop. Okay, this is the basic program of do while loop. The last loop is for loop. The for loop in C language provides functionality or feature to repeat a set of statement a defined number of times. The for loop is in itself form a entry control loop. So here we have the syntax. In the case of for loop, the initialization, condition, and updation is given with the for loop. Okay. Before we see that the initialization is first we initialize, then condition, then updation. Here in the case of for loop, the initialization, condition, and updation given with the for loop, and the code to be executed inside the for loop. Okay. Here we have the program. So I'm going to compile this here for loop. First, we need to declare a variable. No need to initialize, no need to assign value. So first we declare a variable I, then I initialize, I assign the value inside the for loop, then semicolon, I less than 5. The updation is also given with the for loop. Okay, we get the same output. So here first for loop initializes, then the inside the program execute inside the loop. Here the first printed the value of I 0 printed. Then the condition checks when the value become 5, the condition falls and the program jumps out of the loop. Okay, this is the basic program of for loop. So I hope you understand the concept of loops in C. Thank you.